Memao ache. So you've been talking to someone and the person is going on and on and on, but you have to go. Okay. What are some of the common chief phrases to use to end the conversation? All right. That's what we are looking at in this lesson. Coming right up. Hello guys, my name is Yao and you're welcome to another lesson right here on LEARNAKAN.com. If you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you find any of our lessons useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment below. So, like I said, we are looking at some common chief phrases to use to end conversations, okay? Sometimes the conversation is getting interesting for the other party, but you have to go, okay? So the following are some of the common chief phrases to use to end conversations, okay? So we are starting with X-ray. 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 Later, okay? X-ray. X-ray, okay? So you can go like any X-ray, any X-ray, any X-ray, okay? Any X-ray. Next we have Yebeshia. 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 Yebeshia, okay? Yebeshia. So you can go like Yebeshia China. Yebeshia China. Yebeshia China. Yebeshia China, okay? Yebeshia Wukuada. Yebeshia Wukuada. Yebeshia Wukuada. Oh, Yebeshia Fiada. Yebeshia Fiada. Yebeshia Fiada. Enye Yebeshia Joada. Enye Yebeshia Joada. Enye Yebeshia Joada. Next we have Yentuaso Dafufro. Yentuaso Dafufro. Yentuaso Dafufro. Yentuaso Dafufro. Okay? Yentuaso Dafufro. Yentuaso Dafufro. Or me power chow yebe to me atwaso dafufro. 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 Next we have Ewose Meko. Ewose Meko. Ewose Meko. Ewose Meko. So we use Ewose to talk about stuff that are supposed to be the case. Okay, so what comes after Ewose is what is supposed to be. Okay, so if I say Ewose Meko, it means I'm supposed to go. Okay, that is what is supposed to be the case. I'm supposed to go. Okay, I have to go. All right, Ewose Meko. Ewose Meko. And then we have Meni Aje Yenkomo Yiho. Okay, Meni Aje Yenkomo Yiho. M'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho. M'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho. So nkɔmmɔ is conversation. Okay? So m'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho. Alright? M'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho. So you can say m'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho paa. Nanso ɛwɔ sɛ mekɔ. Okay? M'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho paa. Nanso ɛwɔ sɛ mekɔ. M'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho paa. Nanso ɛwɔ sɛ mekɔ. And I'm actually telling you that right now. M'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho paa. Nanso ɛwɔ sɛ mekɔ. M'ani agye yɛn nkɔmmɔ yi ho paa. Nanso ɛwɔ sɛ mekɔ. So this is where we end today's lesson. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys next time.